Hello, myself Ram Kiran. So, like this way, the politics groups are handled with. So, this is about the American income basically. Like this way, they survive with. So, here one person told that America basically has used this concept basically, and they might be inserting this body basically, which was human cloned by American group basically, and basically 100% might be dumping this data to land also. So here one person asked the question: without satellite permission, basically they will never do this. Basically, they will never do this because they know that even one process basically has to be incorporated in the Earth planet. Satellite group basically have to give the permission. So they told that yes. Basically. So here the question basically is in which land basically their data basically connects. So how just see basically how the things are connecting. Basically. So they told that basically we have taken one example basically. Gujarat city basically created on the base of that Arabian Sea basically. New Gujarat city basically is going to create on the base of this Gujarat basically. But here basically one person asked the question basically they need one source basically, human body basically, where they can dump the entire new Gujarat data basically. So that is future basically, and future is controlled by America basically. But not only America basically, there are many countries. So next video.